In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check active sessions in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the list of devices and browsers currently signed into your account, so you can keep everything secure and up to date. First, open Claude AI in your web browser and sign in to your account. Make sure you're on the official site and, if prompted, complete any two-factor authentication you use. This ensures you're accessing the correct account and sets you up to view your session details securely. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might show your initials or a small avatar. Click that icon to open your account menu. If you're on a smaller screen and don't immediately see it, try maximizing the window or using a desktop browser for the clearest view, since the layout is easiest to navigate there. From the menu, select Settings, then choose the Account section. This opens the place where your personal account preferences live. In many layouts, you'll see a panel with categories on the left and details on the right. Account is where Claude AI keeps your sign-in and session information. Now scroll down to the Active Session section. This is the key area for today. Here, you'll see a list of sessions associated with your account. Each entry typically shows details like the device or browser type, the operating system, an approximate location based on IP, and a recent activity timestamp. Your current session is usually identified clearly, and any other sessions, such as a laptop you used earlier or a different browser, will appear in this list as well. Take a moment to review what you see. Location is approximate and can be affected by things like VPNs or corporate networks, so small discrepancies aren't unusual. What you're really looking for is whether the devices and times align with your own usage. If you regularly switch between home and work, or use multiple browsers, you'll likely see several valid entries reflected here. This section is useful for routine checkups, especially after traveling or changing devices. It gives you quick visibility into where your account is active and helps you confirm that only expected sessions are present. If something doesn't look familiar, this is the place to investigate further and manage your sessions as needed. That's all there is to it. Open Claude AI and sign in, click your profile icon in the bottom left, go to Settings, choose Account, and scroll to Active Sessions. Keep this habit in your toolkit to maintain a secure, well-managed account. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want a quick security check.